Lizzie and Daddy are watching TV. Lizzie's just chilling there in her kiss of love wool cover. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And they're just watching Fired Up or something. I don't know.
We're going to get you some help. I'll sit back here with him. You drive. We went ahead and zip tied to the seat
time, she says.
Look
at how focused she is.
He fessed up and admitted he got a job at the wing place.
You're watching that TV so hard you can't stand it.
She's watching television.
I'm a little bit nervous having England in the car. I got something you might recognize right here.
Watching TV with the daddy.
I got something you might want too.
Yeah, I was missing this. I was wondering where this was. You from?
She doesn't even care. She said, "Move out of my way, Mama."
Hey, just calm down, man. It turns out.
Look how big she is. What a big girl.
Both his wings put together.
Let's see if I can get.
The owner trusted this guy. Gave him a job, did him a favor, and how did he get thanked?
Fix her.
Getting wrong. He got it wrong.
Losing her balance.
Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Hi, sorry.
There you go.
We're going to take him to the police station.
And then she starts to kick. Those long legs. You see those long legs?
He decides to go to rehab. I might change my mind. You're about to get plucked.
2 days shy of 10 weeks. What a big girl.
Oh, yeah.
I'm sorry.
You sliding?
See, yep, I'm sliding.
I'm stuck. I can't move. I'm stuck.
I'm nodding my head.
I'm still.
So Elizabeth is 11 weeks and 1 day. Yawning. She was just talking to her little lion guys. And then she saw me get up, and so now she's watching me. Oh, not anymore. Back to lion. I wanted to see if she would talk to them for you guys. You want him to move again? Say turn. Say turn. Turn, little guys, turn. Hi, honey. Hi, Munchkin. Hi, Munchkin. Yeah. Yeah. He's swinging. Just a swinging. It was so funny. We went to the Renaissance Fair this past weekend. I forgot my camera. But you see how her hair sticks up? Everyone that came up to us is like, how did you get her hair to stand like that? And it's like, you know, I just slap on all the gel and hairspray in the world on my 10-week-old baby. Mm-hmm.